Kanyakumari. Seashore Food Court. Seashore Food Court is located near temple. From temple, you can walk within 10 minutes. This seashore food court is very, very lively. Here we can get all varieties of food items: South Indian food, North Indian food, tea, coffee, snacks, cakes, chaat items, cool drinks, fresh juices, seafood, samosa, pav bhaji, pani puri, bhel puri, all kind of street food available here. Here is a small playground for kids to play. This is the place for photo shoot. We can do photo shoot here. Evening, this place is very, very lively. After viewing sunset, we came to this place. This place is very, very lively. All tourists are coming here for their dinner. If you go to Kanyakumari, please do not miss this place. This is very good place for food lovers. You can get all kind of the food from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Hi food lovers, enjoy the feast.